I have been working on Impact for the 30 minutes that I've been here because the meeting just started. We're writing the executive summary, very fun. I just spent the last probably 10 minutes trying to figure out what word I was looking for while doing various hand gestures. And then I remembered that I could just Google near synonyms of other words. So we're being very productive. But I have written a good, almost half paragraph, which is good for the first 30 minutes, and 10 minutes trying to figure out a word. I think, most of us are just working on Impact. This week we've been working on just uniforms, pins. I finished a really fun pin design that if you are in FMA, you will see, hopefully. So today's Impact, very exciting. And I will be leaving in 30 minutes to get my passport photo taken, and I'm very excited. And I will be working on Impact at the place. Business for life.
Hi, what's up, vlog? So we are in week 2 right now, end of week 2. We are still in design and a little bit of prototyping, but we're starting to machine real metal parts, which is very exciting. Kind of struggling with the fact that we're competing week 1 this year, which is unfortunate, but we love Warren Hills. We would never go anywhere else, so they better watch out. 555 competing week 1 is going to be iconic. It's going to be great. It's going to be fantastic, and nobody is going to cry. Business also started working on Impact, which is quite exciting. Code is actually locked in this year. I keep walking around this room, and they're all just, actually working. This is the most individual computer screens I've ever seen with real code and not Geometry Dash in my life. And they've been like this for the last 2 weeks straight. I don't know what it is. There's something in the water. But yeah, Montclair Robotics is locked in. I have faith. Week 1 never saw us coming.
Hi vlog, welcome to week 2. I take back everything that Danica said. I'm gonna cry. I'm crying right now, invisible tears running down my face. I'm scared. I am proud of business this week. We are still in exile in the other art room we're sad about it. It's to let CAD focus. I don't know how that's going for them, but the CAD Business Alliance has been migrated to the Code Business Alliance. It's getting weird in this room, but I'm happy to be one day closer to the weekend. Happy Robotics Friday.
Okay, hi everybody. In week 2, Code made all of our subsystems. We are now working on getting them fully simulated and logged, but I think we've been doing really well. We've been fairly productive. Yeah. Also, I have a question. If there was an alignment chart, from Muppets to pro wrestling, and from VTuber to drag, where would you put this on? Where would you put yourself? This is a really important question because I want to know.
Where are you, Connor?
Wait. I'm more Muppets. No, I think I'm a little more VTuber than drag. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Rachel.
Hi, I'm Orr with Code, and I've been working on simulating and coding the turret subsystem. So here we have a basic program that, in theory, should be able to adjust a turret to that way. It's still being worked out, but it works pretty well, except for when it doesn't.
So this week in Code, we've been working on our subsystems. I've been working on the flywheel subsystem, which allows our wheels to spin and then to shoot the balls, as well as the Spindexter subsystem, which allows us to spin the balls out of our container. And next we're going to be doing sim and testing as soon as CAD and build hurry up.
This week, CAD has been fleshing out, most of the mechanisms, and we have pretty final-ish versions to be able to start machining some of them next week. We have gotten parts out, and so really getting that CNC in the next couple of days. But yeah, we're locked in. We're moving faster than last year.
Hello, I'm Taiki. I'm the electronics lead, and we're trying to figure out how much space electronics is going to get. Take a guess, a wild guess at home. Ding, 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 0! We don't even have enough space to fit the main components onto the board. So these two lovely people behind the camera has suggested some great ideas, like putting it in the bumpers or putting it on moving things, which has never worked in the past and also is very illegal. I'm so excited. Max seems to love and care about electronics so much with its design. Thank you.
Electronics is a little bit worried about the space for their electronic stuff, and I want to respond to the allegations against me and defend CAD as one of my favorite divisions here that I think is going to do a great job in fitting everything in. It's definitely tight, but that's what we need for to have such a compact robot. We need to make the electronics compact as well. Some of it will fit underneath our spindexer, and some of it will be around and possibly vertically as well.
All right, so it's been a while since I've been on this vlog, but I've been promoted to build lead, surprisingly. Anyway, we've been pretty locked so far. We've finished most of the prototypes. All we have left to do is prototype indexing and the extendable hopper, but other than that, we're pretty well off. We cleaned the shop. Yeah, I mean, we're pretty locked. We're going to have a good season.
All right, so me and Leo, the other safety coordinator, we're doing research for the safety bags that we're going to give out at competition. Currently, Jaya is doing some research for the safety bags for me while I'm being interviewed.
Yeah. Spider-Man Band-Aids. There we go.
That's crazy. Okay, so we're gonna hand out wait, go here.
Oh, here?
No, the document. So we're gonna be putting antibiotic ointment, pickle Band-Aids because pickles are great and they're fun. Normal, good quality Band-Aids because some Band-Aids are just bad quality. Then foam earplugs because things can get pretty loud in robotics. Hair ties because people have long hair and you don't want it to get caught. Alcohol pads, Purell packets, side shields. This is what I have on. And then burn gel. So, yeah, we're having some fun preparing.
In the burn.
Hold it on the wire, dude.
It's a cheat mic. In the comments down below, comment what kind of Band-Aids you want. Paw Patrol, Spider-Man, Indiana Jones, SpongeBob, dinosaurs, My Little Pony. Yeah, so just comment down below, guys.
Comment down below. The safety team needs some help deciding on what fun Band-Aids to do. That's all for today, guys.
Leo, what do you think?
I think that we need that. This is gonna go great, and we need fun Band-Aids, and I'm totally not losing my mind. Indiana Jones.
Hi. Welcome to my weekly interview. I'm here with Danica, and we're doing our progress report outside in the freezing cold. It's so cold.
It is actually quite a bit warmer than yesterday. You know something is wrong when 37 feels warm and balmy.
Yeah, normally we do these progress reports in the cold and the dark. So, yay, it was a half day today, so we're outside. Look, there's Jeevan over there. He looks so cold.
How's it going, Joaquin?
Jeevan, are you cold?
Not at all, actually. I'm fairly warm.
How much work did you get done today?
A lot. We cleaned the shop. We prototyped. We cried a little bit. Pretty progressive day, if I do say so myself.
Us too.
Yeah.
Yeah, dab me up, Jeevan. Cut that last part. Cut that last part. You didn't see that? What happened? Canonically, I'm good at dabbing people up, according to the Montclair Robotics vlogs wiki. Hey, Cooper, dab me up.
That's on you. That's your fault.
No, because I have my back. Wait, ready?
That's your fault.
You guys, quiet down.
Quiet down. Ready? Yeah.
I still think it's his fault.
It's okay. Wait. Dab up, Jeevan. Dab up, Jeevan.
Okay,
Witness this.
oh my
Look at
God.
that. Ready?
That was much better than this.
No, me and Taki are locked.
It's Jeevan's fault.